We found a $1.2 million trade on Cisco system stock, ticker symbol CSCO. And what's unusual about this is that Cisco reports earnings next week, February 12th. And so in this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to find out if this wealthy investor is bullish and buying Cisco before earnings or bearish and selling Cisco before earnings. Because as we all know, the rich have more access to information, including leaked insider information, such as earnings reports, to make better financial decisions. No wonder the rich get richer. Now, as we can see here, Cisco hit a new high here. And so it is worth noting that this investor could be trading Cisco based on technical analysis due to the strong momentum and not necessarily inside information such as earnings reports. And so let's dive into the data of their trade. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, we can see 6,300 contracts being traded for these September 19 options at the 70 strike calls for a price of $194 each. Keep in mind, we need to multiply options prices by 100 since each option represents 100 shares of stock. And so each call option costs $194. And since there was a total of 6,300 contracts, we multiply that out and we get a total trade that costs $1.2 million. But keep in mind, earnings is coming up. And so this is a higher risk trade in comparison to the trades that we share on our website. If you want to get access to the lower risk, higher probability of profit trades, then make sure to go to our website.
Visit www.unusualoption.com to join our membership and start your journey to a financial success with a partner you can trust.
We will put a link to our website at the top here where you can learn trading strategies that further reduce risk while increasing the chance of profit. Because keep in mind, not all of these unusual trades will be profitable. Even this one might be a loss. But as long as we diversify with higher quality stock picks based on stronger data analysis and trading strategies that increase the chance of profit, then we can become more profitable in the long term. Now, having said this, we also got into the same position for $194 each at the September 19 options. We can see here our position over here. POS stands for position. Green means buy, where those 6,000 contracts were clearly opening trades since the open interest is much less at 1,244 at the 70 strike calls. And so we also bought these for 194, but we use position sizing to manage our risk. And so when we analyze this trade, you can see here on the risk profile profit loss graph where the x-axis represents the share price of Cisco, which is currently trading over here, and the profit loss on the y-axis. Note the zero break even line here. And so when the purple and blue lines are below it, it is a negative loss. If it is above it, it is a positive gain, because this is a long bullish trade. And we can confirm it on the Greeks. We have a positive delta trade. If it was a bearish short trade, it would be a negative delta. But be aware of the risk on these call options. We have a negative theta decay. And so as time goes on, these call options will lose value. And that is why the purple line, which represents the current date, drops down to the blue line, which represents the expiration date, where it is below zero until the break even right over here. And so the stock needs to trade above $71.90 for these call options to be profitable. So keep that in mind, even though these were the 70 strike price. And so that is another level of risk and why we use position sizing to manage our risk, because we don't put a lot of capital into these higher risk earnings trades. We save most of our capital for the lower risk, higher chance of profit trades that we share on our website. If you want access to those, we'll put a link at the top here. Let us know in the comments below. Do you think Cisco will make higher highs and go up after earnings, or do you think it will crash down? As usual, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Take care and have a wonderful day.